In this video, you will learn how to download the Pawns Global MY 3.0 mobile platform, log into your account, and utilize its basic functions. This video will provide step-by-step guide to help you get started with the platform effectively. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Pawns Global MY 3.0, and download the app. Once the download is completed, tap the Open button on your screen to launch the app. After downloading, log into the platform by filling up your username and password. The username and password will be sent to you separately via email by our IT team. Add stocks to your watch list. Click the market icon. Choose or search for the stock that you are interested in. Give it a like and choose the watch list that you want to add in. To add more stocks, click the market icon. It includes Singapore stocks, US stocks, Hong Kong stocks, and Malaysian stocks. In this video, I will be selecting Malaysian stocks. To explore the different categories of Malaysian stocks, click View All. This page will display various categories of Malaysian stocks. On the stocks page, it shows 5 rows of top volume stocks, 5 rows of top gainer stocks, and 5 rows of top loser stocks. To see the news, click the news icon. It includes my news, watch list, equities, and Bursa news. To place an order, click on the trade icon to place a trade key in the stocks that you want to place an order and search for your preferred stocks. In this video, I will take Gamuda as an example. And after selecting the stock, insert the quantity you want to buy and then click the place buy limit order and enter your password. Then your order will be successfully placed. After successfully opening a position, you can check it by returning to the trade page and selecting the position icon. Here you will see the total stocks you are currently holding. To view the total orders you placed today or in the past 7 days, click on the orders icon. For a summary of your stock trading account, click on the view details icon or the outstanding position option. On this summary page, you can check the total amount of money available in your account for buying stocks, your trust account balance for selling details, and more. To top up your account, click the Me icon, then select the FPX payment option. Next, choose your preferred bank, enter the amount you wish to top up, and provide the email address linked to your trading account. Please note that third-party funding is strictly prohibited. Finally, input your transaction reference and click Pay Now. That's all for the tutorial. Thank you for watching. Do watch our other Pawns Global MY 3.0 user guide videos to learn more tips and tricks for trading on the Pawns Global MY 3.0 trading platform. If you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact your dealer representative.